Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, we recording, we back again, guys. Campaigning again for more notice, more compliments here on the beach. And Anse Beach again is kind of quiet. Everybody's saying that I missed the boat, but let me turn on the camera and show you. It is. Whole beach is clean. Wow. But anyway, as you can see, somebody running. You see a few people soaking in the water, chilling. Look at the benches. First time I've ever seen them like that, just lying up for someone to just pick them up. Interesting. So what this means is they didn't come for a long time. They come for a short time. See what I'm saying? And everybody had to leave the benches as it is. Yeah, as you can see, the ship is outside there right now. Let zoom up on it now, yeah. Too bad I can't zoom up too much. Yeah, that's it, guys. Just going down this beach. Let's continue doing the walking and talking. You can see us. Let's campaign also. Greetings, hello, good evening. Anybody wish to have a look at my accessories? All handmade by me. Oh, supposed to do something nice. Oh, I was on delivery time now. Hold on. Alright, so let's go deliver now, alright? Gotta do a delivery by Miss Janice. They can see us. That's not my face. How you grab the as my face? Where is it, Carlos? Mm-hmm. It's like you grab my chin as my face. Interesting. Yeah, like go do this delivery now, they can see us and then we come out and campaign to the people on the beach. Hey, Lapa. I did. Let's do now like a vlog. See that this way. Yeah. So the place is looking to buy. Hey, look my Virginie. Hey, Lapa. Yes, sir. Let's go first. Let's go and do the delivery first. On actually this self. It is sir. Hey, Lapa. Yes, sir. Hey, up. Yes, sir. Hey, up. What the vibes? Feel good? You see, everybody Janice today? Who everybody Janice? You guys have a good health day. Have a good health. Wow. Respect. You can't go wrong, man. No, you can't go wrong. So yeah, come and do a delivery for your daughter. Where is she? She did? How much daughter? How much daughter you have to be here? But she know they know she don't come in here. She never come. Okay, so don't leave nothing far. My daughter know they here, so you can see. My daughter know they just come here and Sunday. So don't leave it far. Walk with it. Or hold it. Alright, so walk with it for her next time. So that was Sunday. I see her. Oh shit, today's Tuesday. Alright, over here, Miss Janice. Say hi to my camera. Hello. Hi, how are you today? I love the video. Thank you. We're going on YouTube. Promote yourself. Promote the guys on YouTube.
Hello, I'm Janice. I'm really from Grenada. I sell in Granada's Crawford Spice Market. Okay, guys, a lot of y'all does message me. Janice John. That's the person here. I am Janice John. So that's me. Hi, guys. Love y'all. Hope to see y'all one of these good days.
Thank you for your family.
I love y'all, baby. Stay sweet and blessed.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to all of y'all, guys. Okay? Love you.
Yes, so I don't know. Keep supporting Miss Janice, man. They're gonna see her.
They go see me there. They was ready right
How years have
here.
you been doing this, Miss Janice?
It is what, 27 years now? It is 27 years in the business. Thank God for that.
Yeah, check, so you're on side. So I know all of them know already.
Yeah, they know me, Johnny John. They just always write me up.
That's good. So I don't know. Big up, big up. That's this is Miss Janice.
Because look at me, look at me. You don't want to.